I run two print-on-demand businesses. I'm also a content creator. I sell digital products. I coach inside of a membership. And all of these different legs to my business as a whole are things that I've built from home in my cute, tiny little office space here. And they all stem from the systems that I've put in place behind the scenes that I want to dive into in this video. So today I'm giving you the full behind the scenes look at how I run my entire business, the income streams, the tools that I use, and how I built the structure all around it so that it is sustainable and continuing to scale. Let's start with my overall business model breakdown and how it all connects together. As I mentioned, I have two print-on-demand businesses. These are both run on Etsy. This is my physical product business. However, I'm not handling any of the physical products. I work with print providers, create designs, upload them to products, and when they sell, my print provider packages, makes, manufactures, ships, all of the things. So my involvement in that part of my business is mainly just creating and customer service. Depending on the week, this probably takes about 10 to 20% of my time. I also sell a few digital products. So one being I have a digital product that is for my print-on-demand students. It's a niche calendar, just outlines all of the niches that I sell January to December, when to create for them. That is something that I update yearly. But overall, once it's created and updated each year, that's really the extent of me working on it. I also sell a few digital products on Etsy as well, like branding kits. I've created some mock-ups. It's not something that I really actively work on. However, it does still bring me in a little bit of income each month. Next, we have my membership community, the POD Connection. This is my full print-on-demand community. Inside of the community lives my course. This, I would say, is the largest portion of my time because I'm very active with all of the individuals in my community. And this is usually how I'm starting my day each day, responding to community members, answering questions. I do group coaching calls. I create extra content for my community. Then the final leg of everything is all kind of related to content creation. So that is affiliate income, brand sponsorships, as well as YouTube. I am monetized on YouTube, so I also get YouTube AdSense. This is probably the second most occupying of my time, more so because I just choose to do most of it myself. I could probably outsource a good chunk of things. I know a lot of people who make content hire like editing teams, but I prefer to just do it myself. I enjoy doing it, so I rather outsource things that I don't enjoy doing than outsource the things that I do enjoy doing. And I enjoy creating content. It's very fun. I like the creative element to it. It's taken quite a lot to get it to this point where it's pretty structured. And each of these different income streams that I have, I've built each of them one at a time. I think that's truly the key to diversifying your income streams and building multiple. Trying to build them all at the same time is just, I think it's just too much. I think it's very difficult to scale efficiently. And because I chose to scale each of them on their own and get one up and going and running before I moved to the next, I was able to establish some really solid systems, which is really what keeps everything so smooth sailing behind the scenes. So let us zoom out a little bit so that I can show you the overview that I think will also help you if you are on a journey of diversifying your income streams and building a business. There are 5 things that I use on a weekly basis that keep the wheels turning. The first thing that I use is Notion. Notion is by far my favorite tool for all things organizing. This is truly where I track everything, my calendar, my appointments, my content schedule, my ideas, my brainstorms, every single thing that pops into my brain, I pop into Notion. Then we have Printify. Printify is my print provider. This is of course very specific to just my business model. They manufacture, package, ship all of my physical products that my two print-on-demand businesses do sell. I am in there daily looking at my orders, submitting my orders, reviewing everything for my shops. Next, we have Tailor Brands. Tailor Brands houses all of the things that make my business legally legit. All of my documents, all of my LLC information, all of the things that keep me compliant in my business. Really, there are 4 main things that I'm coming into Tailor Brands for that support my business structure. First is my LLC formation kit. kit. This is something that I actually received when I first started my LLC. I do have an entire video about starting an LLC, becoming legally legit with your business. I will link it up above here if you want to check that video out. But when I first received my LLC formation kit, I will say it had me feeling so legit, so proper, and it made my business feel pretty real. Not that it wasn't, but it just made it feel that way. What it is just a super simple, clean binder. It has your company seal, all of your paperwork, your formation documents, as well as it comes with some extra resources and pretty much anything and everything that you might need to quickly be able to find and grab for your business. The second place that I'm hopping into often in my Tailor Brands account is the document vault. The document vault has all of the potential legal documents that I might need in my business readily available at my fingertips. These are all written by a legal professional and they're plug and play. So if I were to need any of these documents at any given moment, I have them ready to use. Something else that I use is actually for my domain and for my business email. I actually created this after I formed my LLC. I think this one's kind of underrated. I think when you're starting a business, you should absolutely claim any domain that you are thinking about or considering using. It's not very expensive to have a domain. This is just referring to a website. You want to make sure that your name is claimed for whatever you're foreseeing in your business. So I have my own company branded email domain as well as my website. And then I also already touched on this a little bit, but the compliance dashboard, this is what makes me feel secure and help me sleep at night. Because I think one of the scariest things about starting a business, at least for me, I constantly was thinking that I was going to unintentionally do something wrong and people were going to be like knocking on my door and taking me in for, I don't know. I don't even know what I could have possibly done to have that, but making sure that I am being compliant, the compliance dashboard, that is what keeps me sane. Because after you form an LLC, which if you are making money any shape, way, or form, you should have an LLC. But you still have to file reports, renew things, stay in good standing. And there's just so much that I think it can be very easy to forget. So the compliance dashboard, that keeps me organized and gives me reminders for when things are due. When I first created my LLC, that is what I thought Tailor Brands was. It was just a place that I could go and create my LLC, but Tailor Brands is actually more so a business builder. Yes, you can form your LLC, but it also has all of the tools and resources that you need to actually grow your business and scale your business. So if that's something that you're interested in trying, I absolutely love Tailor Brands. I will put a link in the description box below if it is something that you want to check out. The next tool in my business, it's actually kind of like a two-part tool. I use SamCart and Stripe. SamCart hosts all of my checkout pages. So for example, if somebody is joining my community, that is hosted through SamCart. And then when they're joining the community, that payment is being processed through Stripe. So this is just kind of like the ecosystem behind the way people pay for my digital products and digital offerings. And then lastly, where that all ties into is Kajabi, which Kajabi is the host to my full course Plan, Scale, Profit. It has the dashboard for my community and where my community members all hang out and chit chat and where I work with my one-on-one students. Kajabi also is for all of my landing pages, my website. So I have my domain that I was able to form using Tailor Brands, and then I use that domain in Kajabi for my website and where people can access my free resources and join my community and all of those things. Absolutely everything that I use has a purpose and everything within my business has a home. And that is truly the key to how I've been able to scale and grow a multi-six-figure business in just 2.5 years. As always, I want to be super clear that this was not built overnight. 2.5 years in the making, which honestly is really small in the grand scheme of things, but there were a lot of hours and early mornings and late nights and just dedication that went into those 2.5 years. They were definitely a hustle. And I am somebody who is in support of hustle. I think there needs to be a little bit of a hustle phase. I think that's what gets you where you want to be in life, but you got to have systems in place so that you don't just completely burn yourself out, because that is something that I do not want for anybody, for myself. I've been there, I've been burnt out. And if you are building a business, having systems in place, that is going to save you from being burnt out and having that complete crash out. I'm curious to hear a little bit more about your goals in the comment section below. I'm assuming that if you stumbled upon this video, you're probably somebody who's looking to create multiple income streams or even just create an additional income stream outside of your 9 to 5. On my channel, I love talking about all things print on demand. That is a huge component of my income streams, but there's so many different ways that you can make an income online and truly create a life that you love. And so if you want more content like this, where I'm sharing the behind the scenes, what it looks like to build a life you love, creating multiple income streams for yourself, definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to boop the subscribe button. As always, I hope that you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.